So every time a comedian gets on stage, there's three things we have to do: connect quickly, engage fully, and leave them wanting more. Does that sound like something you might like to do? As a speaker, what a coincidence. It's almost like I planned it. So I told you that we're going to craft an opening joke. That's what I'm going to help you with. So we're going to focus on that first part, connect quickly. And the way comedians connect is we use humor. We use humor because humor gets laughter. And laughter is an emotion. Emotion builds trust. And trust is necessary if you're going to get anyone to take action. And the action we want people to take as speakers is someone to book us again, someone to buy what we're selling, or very often, the action we need them to take is tiny. It's to give us the benefit of the doubt and continue listening to us for the next few minutes. Because let's face it, most of the places that we speak, people are not really excited to be there. I mean, it's a conference and it's sort of a coin flip, this room or that room, or it's a work thing. No one is thinking, ooh, 2 more sleeps until trends in gastroenterology.